Fire alert tonight. Flames are burning up a ridge in Summit County.
All night, firefighters have been attacking this one from the ground and the air. In Denver 7's Jason Grenauer, he's there tonight outside the fire lines.
Jason, firefighters have kept this away from home, so some good news there.
Yes, at this hour, it may look like just a few coals basically on this mountainside behind me, but don't get it wrong. This is still an actively burning wildfire. Just a few lights here just on the other side of Highway 6. Those are homes. Still no evacuation orders at this hour. But those are the closest homes to the fire line. Now, the latest now from Lake Dillon Fire Rescue, the fire burning 21 acres on the side of Tenderfoot Mountain. This is just east of Lake Dillon. Earlier, the smoke was visible for miles as tankers and helicopters dropped water and retardant onto the flames, while nearby residents just watched.
It is a little scary because it is a populated area, and it's kind of scary for us to see it in our backyard for sure.
It's really scary that it's local and it's right behind my house. Hopefully they control it and it doesn't get worse.
Now those water drops have ceased now that it is dark. We've been watching this fire for the last 3 hours or so. Every once in a while you do see a flare up, a tree go up, and the intensity kind of go up just a little bit. But for the most part, over the course of this evening, things have decreased in intensity. Come tomorrow morning, however, when the sun comes back up and the winds possibly pick back up, could be an entirely different battle for firefighters here in Dillon. Reporting live tonight, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.
Thank you, Jason.